Soshanguve care facility, which is for children in conflict with the law. And we decided, because they can come out to an event and join young people because they are serving their sentence, we need to come to them to give them motivation, but to also check on whether our programs are indeed changing their lives or not. And do we have young people or children that are ready to actually ensure that their lives are changed. So that is why this location is that as we close Youth Month, we had to remember that we do have children and young people in conflict with the law that we have locked up, that we are looking after as social development. So we need to bring young people to them so that they know they are not forgotten. It's pure because we didn't want to leave Tshwane, but we have visited all the provinces. We're just culminating to today. So it's not a once-off event. We have visited, we run 31 of these secure facilities across the country. We have visited at least 9, this is the 9th one per province, just to motivate young people as we celebrate Youth Month. So we've started in KwaZulu-Natal, we're finishing in Tshwane, and that is the only sheer reason why we are here. As children in conflict with the law, we hope to provide them services that will ensure that they don't reoffend.